Welcome, my dear children. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. My name is Jyoti Kokate. Today we will be learning subject mathematics from standard 3rd. In this video, we are going to learn the topic measurement of time and subtopic quarter past part 3. Children, first let us understand the quarter past. Look at the clock. In this clock, the minute hand is pointing at 3. So, it is quarter past the hour. Now, observe this clock. Here, the hour hand moved a quarter away from towards 10. So, the time in this clock is a quarter past 9. Children, always remember, an hour is equal to 60 minutes. Half past is equal to 30 minutes. A quarter past is equal to 15 minutes. Now, let's begin how to read and write the quarter past time. Children, now observe the clock. A clock is divided into 4 parts. Each part shows 15 minutes. Children, each part is called a quarter part. Now, let's begin with the quarter past. When the minute hand is at 3 and the hour hand is a little after 12, we say that the time is a quarter past 12. Children, we write it as a quarter past 12 or 12 colon 1 5. Children, the clock is showing a different time now. The minute hand is pointing the number 3 and the hour hand is a little after 1. So we say that the time is a quarter past 1 and we write it as a quarter past 1 or as 1 colon 1 5. Children, look at the clock and tell me what time is it? You can see the clock is showing the time a quarter past 2 because the minute hand is at 3 and the hour hand is a little after 2. So, we write it as a quarter past 2 or as 2 colon 1 5. Now, observe the clock and tell me what is the time? In this clock, the minute hand is pointing the number 3 and the hour hand is a little after 3. We say that the time is 15 minutes past 3 or a quarter past 3. We write it as a quarter past 3 or as 3 colon 1 5. Children, now observe the hands in the given clock. The minute hand is at 3 and the short hand means our hand is a little after 4. So, we say that the time is 30 minutes past 4 or a quarter past 4. We write it as a quarter past 4 or as 4 colon 1 5. Now, what time is it, children? Yes, the shorthand means the hour hand is a little after 5 and the minute hand means long hand is at 3. So, we say that 15 minutes past 5 or a quarter past 5. Children, we write it as a quarter past 5 or 5 colon 1 5. Here the clock is showing a different time now. The minute hand is pointing the number 3 and the hour hand is a little after 6. So we say that the time is a quarter past 6. We write it as a quarter past 6 or as 6 colon 1 5. Children, can you tell me what is the time in this clock? Yes, you can see the minute hand is at 3, which shows the minutes, and the hour hand is a little after 7, which shows the hour. So, we say that the time is a quarter past 7. We write it as a quarter past 7 or as 7 colon 1 5. In this clock, the long hand which shows the minutes is pointing to number 3 and the hour hand is a little after 8. So, we say that the time is a quarter past 8. We write it as a quarter past 8 or as 8 colon 1 5. Children, in this clock, the hour hand is a little after 9 and the minute hand is pointing to the number 3. So, we say that the time is a quarter past 9. We write it as a quarter past 9 or as 9 colon 1 5. In this clock, the minute hand is at 3 and the hour hand is a little after 10. So, the time is a quarter past 10 and we write it as a quarter past 10 or as 10 colon 1 5. Children, look at the clock and tell me what time is it? Yes, you can see here the minute hand is at 3 and the hour hand is a little after 11. This means the time is a quarter past 11. We write it as a quarter past 11 or as 11 colon 1 5. Children, you can see here is an exercise for you. In this exercise, you have to write the correct time underneath each clock. You can see, children, the first one has been done for you and the rest of the examples you have to do in your exercise notebook. Children, now it's a homework time and You will do this homework in your notebook. Read the given time and circle the correct clock in the given box. I hope you all have understood the lesson. Thank you children for watching this video.